That's what we're going for.
Yeah, tropical mix of strawberry, pineapple, smoothie, banana.
All right, order it up. Let's have this guy make it for us. Let's see how he does this. I don't know what that is. Tapioca, maybe? That looks like Guanabana juice. That's probably the thickener. Yeah, yeah. Does it come with little pearls or anything?
I think it comes with sugarcane.
I'm coming back tomorrow night because those squid look good. A lot of the skewers look good, but I just can't eat anymore now. I wasn't expecting this. Nice. Yeah, this whole night was meant to be. We just stumbled in on this. We got a live band playing. Oh, you're like that live streamer now. Do the little heart thing. Send it that little heart thing. Let's back up here and get a taste test. Look at these chairs. This is the fancy table. You got to be fancy to be here. We eat at the little chairs. All right.
It's from a place called Mia.
All right. So Guanabana. Never heard of it. Holy shit, is that what you said?
I said it's very good. It's very refreshing.
Wow.
Very tropical.
I like that. It's almost got like a little bit of cucumberness to it. Almost like it's got a little cucumber juice in there or something. That gives it that flavor.
I could drink this all day.
All right. I think we got to cut it from here. This is going to be the end of us tonight. We might come back tomorrow night. We're going to the Mekong Delta, so that should be fun, but this is wild just to walk into work. Again, we're in Saigon for a few hours and we just happened into this place. What a night.